Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Have you ever faced the DayZ error code Ox804101E5? This issue pops up when users try to get into the servers, or if they manage to do so, the game crashes and displays this error. It reads BIOS error, communication error, resource unreachable, or unavailable. The most common culprits are temporary issues with your system or problems with the game servers, but don't worry, we've got some fixes lined up for you. Your first line of defense: reboot everything. Yes, everything. Close your gaming device, shut down your network devices, disconnect them from the power source. Take a 10-minute break, then restart everything. It's a simple step, but you'd be surprised how often it can clear up these types of errors. If a reboot doesn't do the trick, it's time to check for pending updates. If there are any new updates for DayZ, install them and see if that resolves your error. Keeping your game up to date is crucial for smooth gameplay, so make sure to regularly check for updates. No pending updates? Don't fret. It's time to check the server status. Head over to the DayZ Twitter handle and look for any recent outage or maintenance announcements. If the servers are down, give the game a few hours break. These things usually get resolved fairly quickly. Now, if all else fails, we come to our last resort: reinstalling the game. But don't jump into this step right away. If the above suggestions haven't worked, give the game at least a day to sort itself out. Sometimes patience really is a virtue. If the error persists after a day, then it's time to uninstall and reinstall the game. So to summarize, when facing the DayZ error code Ox804101E5, your action plan should be to reboot everything, check for pending updates, check the server status, and as a last resort, reinstall the game. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.